Stop scrolling. If you create applications or design interfaces or even write code with AI, Google just released something huge. You can't imagine that. Google just upgraded Stitch to 4.0. And for me, this is one of the most underrated tool on the internet right now. Why? Because imagine being able to create your application's UI within seconds by describing prompts with just plain English. And I'm not just talking about wireframe, but I'm talking about stable, usable designs that you can build on. So whether you are a designer, a developer, or just a random person trying to launch your next big idea without writing tons of code or that standing complex designs, then this is a game changer. Join me in this video. I'm going to walk you through what is new in Stitch 4.0, how it has been improved, what is working, and if it is something you can count on, you can rely on to build your interfaces, or if it's just a hype. So join me as we dive right into the
So ever
screen.
since I made a video on Stitch by Google, there have been a lot of updates coming up, and the recent update actually blew my mind because as you can see, I have created a lot of projects using Stitch with Google, and there are a lot of new development that has come into play recently, which I have tried out and I saw that they were actually very amazing, and I want to show you guys how to jump on it and use it to your advantage. All right, so I will actually go through one after the other because there was an update that was made by Stitch. Let's get started. Okay, so actually, the first update I want to talk about is introducing one-click export to AI Studio. So what this actually help you to do is that when you are working with your designs after you create them with Stitch, you don't have to drag your images or your HTML into Stitch. What you just need to do is highlight it, as you can see here. So you're going to see that Stitch is going to move this design and turn them into realistic designs using AI Studio. Okay, so that is amazing, and it's actually something that you should check out because it's great, and we are going to try it out in what we are going to do soon. This is really awesome. So if you check it out, you are going to see that it's going to turn all of the images into realistic images, and you could see that it's navigating through them one after the other, and you can see this amazing one. The second one I want you to be familiar with is the very recent update by Google. Okay, this one, it has to be redesigning your workflow, your designs using Nano Banana Pro. This is amazing. Come on, actually I haven't used it. I think it's more of pro feature. So basically, let me know in the comment if you have actually used this. I tried using it but I could not. But this is mind blowing. Come on, if you look through what we have here, you could see that this actually rocks because it's mind blowing. Okay, so you could see that it's going to select redesign, and it's going to redesign every design you give to it, redesign whatever design you add to it. Okay, and give it a prompt, and it's going to make it fresh and clean. You see this, create a card for this, an about me section for this, and it's going to do that perfectly well. So this is mind blowing, guys. This is mind blowing. I think it's something you need to check out. So you see, this is amazing. So away from all that, so let's work on it. Let's try it out ourselves so that we can know how it works. Okay, it's not just about seeing it. I'm going to show you how it works from here practically, so that you can try it out yourself. So here I'm going to input a prompt. Okay, this is just to design a Bible quiz app, and it's going to have all of some of these features, and yeah, basically. So it's going to take some time. If I hit here to design that, it's going to take some time. Let's say for mobile, that's easier for now. It's going to take some time to generate us those images, but let's just wait for it. Okay, as you can see, our designs are ready. So these are the screens. How amazing these screens are. Okay, you can actually switch between screens. Okay, you can, okay, I'll check that out. You can change between mobile and web view. All right, so here what I want to show you is that if you click on any of them, like this one, you can actually annotate to edit, okay, using Nano Banana. Then you can adjust theme, adjust the themes of these images, and then here you can generate multiple options, which I wanted you to know more about. But before then, let us just look through the rest. View mobile width, view desktop width. Okay, you can switch between this. Also, you can see it's going to give you the mobile view for this. Okay, then again you can switch to desktop width. Awesome. So you could see that this is a whole lot, right? Then again you can view the code, which actually, something that blew my mind. Actually, you can view the code. You could see that this is going to give you the code snippet for that image. Amazing. So you could view the code, all right, for that particular design. Okay, this is it. Awesome. Then again we could close this off. If you could copy the Figma, all right, copy the Figma design. Okay, then you could do same for all of it. Okay, you could see same, we could do same here. We could download it, we could export it, we could view code, regenerate if we don't like that pattern, right? If we don't like the pattern, we could regenerate that. But again, I want to show you what I talked about earlier. Well, I said you can export to AI Studio. So let's check that out. Let's see how that works. So I can actually align all of them together, then export, click on export to AI Studio, and let's just use almost the same prompt. This can upload images from the HTML. I just picked that same prompt for the one we saw earlier. So you could just go ahead to say build with Studio. All right, so it's going to start working on that. So guys, as you can see, all my images have been exported to Gemini AI, all right, to AI Studio. You could see all of them have been exported. You can see this is actually mind-blowing. This is amazing. I've never seen this before. This recent update by Stitch, it's really crazy, man. So if I go ahead to say build, it's going to gradually build what we need. Okay, you could see the images are right here on the left hand side. Then it's going to go ahead to build this. Okay, so let's give it a little time to do that. Okay, so awesome. As you can see, right on the left is going to build all of this. The screen, the welcome screen, quiz screen, result screen is going to build all of it here. All right, but right on the right hand side you could see the preview. Okay, we could start the app. Let's say name Joe. class beginner, let's say beginner group, could select a group Sunday school. All right, start quiz. So who was the first king of Israel? So you could see how amazing this is, right? You could see how super amazing this is, right? Okay, so guys, this is awesome. This is super awesome. So I've just checked out this recent update. You could see that they are amazing from Stitch. Okay, they are amazing. Okay, you can check them out. Check them out. You can see we exported that, and before you know it, we're able to export to Gemini AI Studio, and it's doing really great wonders. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you right in the next video.